Hey friends! Happy New Year and welcome to my first video of 2025. I was trying to figure out what should I do for my first video this year, and I decided to do some awesome new hair colors. We're picking up where we left off with the whole hair dye thing, and last time we did bright orange, and that was a color I had never tried before. At least 6 weeks ago. I was pretty impressed with how long it has lasted. As you can see, there's still some orange at the roots, so I thought that was pretty cool. I hadn't bleached my hair in a while until the last video where we did that orange, so you can actually see where the orange is at was the most recent time that I bleached my hair. And I guess, I don't know how many times I bleached it before, but a lot. I still have a little bit of that orange, and since we had such good luck with the orange and it lasting so long, I got another color by Splat, actually two colors. Actually two colors in one box, and this one also comes with its own bleach. But I think that because I bleached it last time, I'm not going to bleach it this time. When I consulted ChatGPT, it explained that colors should be more effective on hair right after it's bleached, so we're gonna just put it on the hair as is. I got this awesome plate. I got a little set like this one time because I sometimes like to separate what I'm eating and or like separate crafts, but today I figured this would be a perfect plate for the hair dye because we got three colors: orange, pink, and then purple. And I was on Pinterest and saving all these beautiful examples of this color combination. I really like the pink and purple, and I love cotton candy styles, and bright orange was amazing. So I decided to kind of combine those concepts into more of like a nice, bright, deep, kind of almost rainbowy sunset. I wish I had more colors like blue and turquoise to add to this mix, but honestly, I don't have that much hair to work with, and since I'm doing it on my own, I don't really want to overcomplicate things. We'll see how that turns out with the color, and then after that I may wind up trimming the sides of my hair. I think this is called like a Fauxhawk, where it's not a full-blown mohawk, but both sides are shaved. Pretty much like shaved all along like each side like this, and so technically I could spike my hair up into an actual mohawk, but I don't really do that. I kind of just do the Fauxhawk thing where it's like a little comb over, and you can like comb it over either way. One thing about relying on myself for trimming and cutting my hair is that it's never exactly perfect. Hold on, my hair is still drying because I just got out of the shower, but so yeah, trying to get the edges straight. So like when I'm using the trimmer on my own hair, this trimmer, there's a lot of little attachments that come with this trimmer, but I was using this super short one last time, and so I'll probably bust out with this later at the end after we color the hair. And but yeah, so I was trying to figure out like how can I get better clean lines, like straight or whatever, perfectly. How do I buzz my own hair, like, you know? I got this awesome Vanity set right behind me, and one really cool thing about it is that it's got 3 mirrors, and even though you don't exactly adjust the ones on the side like this one, this is another example of a trifold mirror that's smaller, and but this one actually has like a little bit more, you can like bend it this way and you can adjust these, and then different sides have different magnified percentage or whatever. So this one originally had a little LED light too, but I lost the I don't know, it died. So I'm hoping that with the new Vanity set that we'll be able to see the sides and you know, my hair a lot better and more easily. And if we have to, we'll put the big mirror like behind me, and hopefully that'll help with the hair dyeing, because in the past that was definitely the hardest part, is coloring the back of my head. But even harder is cutting it with the buzzer and trying to get straight lines without being able to see. So anyway, let's get started and see how this turns out, and wish me luck. I prepared my area starting with the glass plate and the 3 different colors, and I brought a few different little brushes so I can use one for each color and not have to mix the brushes in the paint too much unintentionally. Something I didn't do, but I would recommend doing, is laying down a plastic bag on the table and the carpet beneath you, because I did wind up dropping some blue hair dye on the carpet, and luckily it came out with just some regular bathroom detergent and soap and water with a rag. This hair dye is really good and it stains easily, so make sure to protect anything that's of value to you, like your favorite white shirt. I would recommend not to wear. This was the fun part, where I put one color in each slot of this plate, and I could totally get into this. I'm imagining that the lighter colors at the roots is going to be better, because when I go to wash it in the future, as the color comes out of the hair, then it'll be lighter on the top and darker on the bottom. But on Pinterest, I noticed a lot of people do the darker color at the roots and the pink or orange at the tips of the hair. Well, I thought I had the camera running while I was applying this hair dye, but I did not. So we have got the hair dye catastrophe here so far, and almost done. Here's a short video right after I rinsed out the hair dye. I dried it with a blow dryer a little bit, because I don't normally do that, and I just wanted to get the full fluffy effect. I couldn't be happier with the colors, and they were so bright. The orange, pink, and purple, they all look really pretty together, and I couldn't be happier with the pigmentation of this hair dye. So I'm glad I took this video right as we finished. I may do a little touch up and then consider doing that side shave. 5 or 6 times. But it'll be really cool to do makeup and nails that match this awesome new hair. Makeup, so you can tell I have like no eyebrows on right now. But I finally had a chance to do my nails, and I was totally trying to match the awesome new hair. Hard to tell, but I started off with Born Pretty Jelly Polish in bright purple, and then I used several different shades of chameleon chrome encapsulated with Savvyland Builder Gel, and then some chunky glitter. Now I'm trying to do some matching makeup, because I got this awesome film shoot that I'm going to, so I figured I could make like a little miniature vlog about it. I just want to finish my makeup so I have eyebrows. This isn't a very thorough makeup tutorial, obviously, but just so you know, I used mostly NYX products, including their pore filler and some concealer, and also I used Chameleon Chrome eyeshadow, NYX brow, and eyeliner, and I finished off this look with the super fine, awesome NYX liner. But this is definitely one of my favorite products from one of my favorite drugstore makeup brands. Alright, just put a little heat through the hair. Oh, it felt good. I don't usually blow dry my hair, but today I'm trying to make it look good. Yeah, this stuff is like, I've had this for so many years, it's probably expired, but I always use such a small amount that it's lasted for like probably 8 years or something. I forget, it's like called Concrete, Hair Concrete, and hard to read the label, but I'll try to put the brand later. I'll try to look for a replacement and see like how much they are these days. It smells really good still, does not smell bad. I put a tiny little bit on my hand, and then I just put it mostly towards like the roots, and then like I try not to get it too greasy or anything, but then at the very bottom tips of my hair, kind of like where it might look frizzy otherwise. The stuff is good because it's not too extreme. It's like not meant to be put through all of your hair. And it's kind of just for like, say you want to try to keep the fluff, but you want to keep like the strays kind of like down. You know what I mean? I'm gonna go to this awesome film shoot today, and I figured we would do a little vlog. We did this awesome hair, got the nails, got the makeup now. I get to play the role of a mom in these short comedy skits. For the film shoot, I get to be in charge of my outfit and my looks, so I'm gonna try to be an awesome mom for this role. I was gonna do this cool look anyway, but yeah, I hope you like the look. Cool. Shout out to @lady who sent these awesome nipple covers, which I've been using under my shirts. They were also kind enough to send me these awesome compression leggings, which are perfect for yoga. There's a little pocket on either side, and I think I probably could have used a size up because I had to kind of squeeze them on, but once they were on, they definitely were good at what they do. Thanks for watching, friends, and I'll see you next time.